And welcome to the show.
Billy Ray was a preacher's son, and when his daddy would visit, he'd come along. When they gathered around and started talking, Cousin Billy would take me walking. Out through the backyard we go walking. Then he looked.
Today we have Michael Aykroyd, the closest to the screen, Karen Green in the middle, and Patrick McKinnon in the far.
Welcome back to Bogan TV. Now, today we're going to be discussing everything Bogan. Welcome back to homosexual TV, everyone.
What the f*** are you talking about? Crumpets. Well, I like crumpets,
Oh my god,
but
you took me away from the crumpets.
No,
I
no,
wasn't
what?
even finished.
What? No, what?
That just went to British to Bogan when you said
I'm a
fuck
British
you.
bogan, okay?
It's very
British
confused.
Bogan. If you're British Bogan, you'd watch the football for f***'s sake.
know me. You don't know me. You come in my house and you say
You
you know
say
me.
that no one knows you. Okay,
You
you're
don't.
very misunderstood. We know.
My word is not your word. I live in different world.
But then get out.
You live in third world country.
You come to my house and you tell me to go away. It not work like that.
Minus.
Such a idiot.
No. You don't speak to me like
Mom, Dad, stop it! I'm sick of it.
that. Son,
Go to your room.
you
Go
don't.
to your room. Stop talking.
I noticed.
Stop talking.
No. This is not about it. But I noticed.
Stop.
I-
No, I'm trying to discipline outside.
Okay.
and
Okay.
all you can do is
You
stop.
do that. You
Stop. Get out. Get out. Get out.
It was a very sad Peters.
When we have sex, I don't feel it anymore. You're not very good.
But you know what? I never felt it. Okay.
Oh no, you didn't.
I married you for your one Punjabi coin of money. One Punjabi coin of money. Okay? You've had nothing.
You don't do that to me. You don't do that. No. Your breast saggy now.
My breasts are not saggy. Okay? Okay, you need to grow a dick.
No.
Properly. What do you think
No,
this is?
no.
Don't try.
Did
Love it. Flavor.
Get out.
Not
Get out.
unbelievable.
Yo, listen up.
Yo, motherfucker.
You're pathetic.
No.
You're pathetic.
I don't like you.
I clean for you.
All day for this permit to get us money.
Permit of what? Taking
Oh,
things away.
what do you do?
think
You
I
don't know
class
anything about money.
top class.
Oh no.
You are not top
Now
class.
you go make your
You are
mother
not
a
top
drink.
class. Okay?
No.
Make me a drink. Make me a drink. Get out.
Okay, mommy.
Now. We're gonna have sex now.
No. I'm staggering.
It's gonna be great. Come on.
Get out.
Sorry.
Okay, I just do it myself. See, I feel it better when I do it myself.
Get out. Everyone get
I
out.
have sex with myself
I
like
have
this.
saggy tits. I can't cook. I can't clean properly. Okay? I can't do anything. It's not my fault. It's hard for a woman. You would not understand. Get out. Get out.
Lack of penis, baby. Lack of penis, baby. Yeah.
Once.
There.
Was.
Big.
Fat.
Red. Beaver.
Excuse me. Alright, I've got a son to take care of and you're a pathetic father.
Fuck off.
Like your granddad and you
Oh,
can't even
yeah, you give me that bullshit
supply
every day.
for your
I
family.
I don't even want to hear it. Just go make me a
You
sandwich.
know what? Stop crying.
I come home and all I want to do is just have a drink. Can I not just have a drink
No,
in
you can't
peace?
f***ing have a drink because you're a f***ing granddad. Take some responsibility, man.
I'll f you up.
Really?
Sorry. Sorry. I'm so. Whose house is this?
No idea.
Had it with some kids.
Some kids. Brett Larkin. Cool name. So what are we gonna do with the body? Oh, and here. Oh, what are you doing?
Bruce
You fucking-
Alive! No!
What? You
Larkin!
You fucking late.
God damn it, you're alive!
Now where's the fucking stir fry? We killed Brett. This is his brother. Your brother's dead.
Yeah, that's right. You're hot. You're hot.
Go back to the kitchen. I want that book.
You want that book? Go
Yeah.
get that book. Come on, go get it.
I want the book.
You want the book? You can have the book. Anyone can have the book. Really.
Whoa.
I want the book. Give me the book.
Stop it.
You.
I
You're a
came up
book.
with it first. I want to read the book.
I want the book.
I'm gonna put this.
Unnecessary for people to swear, guys.
Look,
Sister.
write me a book on it, okay?
It's not attractive.
Good.
Good job. Up. Up. Good boy.
So guys, I was getting my hair done the other day.
Oh my god. Just, you already said that.
My name's Jimmo, and you're here on the ABC's new production of Bogan Wants a Wife, set in Bargo, mate. Here today we have two gentlemen competing for Sea Dog over his affection. This is Mazza and this is Pazza. First of all, let's introduce Key Dog to you. Key Dog, just talk to the camera a bit about yourself.
Well, like, I come from Tame. I can't find a good route, you know, and that's like
Oh, I come by hard these days.
all I'm
no.
looking for in life.
I know, it's just all f***ing grommets up
excuse
there.
me.
You're
I
looking
was
for a
still
good
talking.
route. You're looking for.
I think that's the way to get
Guys,
Talk like
let's
a
just
woman.
calm down.
Oh,
I know you're from Tamo, you're from Urinable, you're from Filmy. It gets
Yeah.
a little hasty sometimes.
I actually like Yaris.
You're from
He's really
Tell
good,
me
yeah.
I'm from Picton, you cock.
So
Yeah.
Mazza, tell us why you think you should
Oh,
get a route
that-
with Key Dog in.
She's just f***ing good looking. I'm good looking. Just
No,
a-
if you're gonna get brute, say something about my tits, man. I mean,
Oh, well, your tits are good. Like, they feel good in my hands. Like,
This reminds you a bit of a bush pig.
say it, man.
What's
That's
the
all.
fucking rude, mate?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
Key Dog,
oh,
yeah.
yeah,
Minger, you fucking mong,
oh,
slag
oh,
off.
I don't know how having sex with me over here.
Oh,
But
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
oh,
yeah!
Wait,
You fucking like it, Key Dog?
Yeah, dude, mate.
You're so fucking gobby, really.
Oh God!
Gummies are
Oh
red!
God!
Gobbies. Fucking get your root on, you horny slag. No, guys, I've brought this meat. So anyway, guys, I brought this. No, guys, it's good to see you all. Well, guys, today, excuse me, settle down, please, settle down. All right, now. Bullying is not tolerated here.
And this is a totally...
One.
Time.
There was. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, guys, we've experienced incredible technical
Oh my
difficulty.
god, it's everywhere! James! James! James!
James Shirley.
Oh my god!
Free
No.
You idiot!
Kiara went to
Oh.
and it literally went
Oh
everywhere.
my god! It shot the wall! Oh my
Shirley, get in here.
Oh my god! That's insane! That's so funny! Oh, James, you idiot!
It's all everywhere.
Smells like flower dust.